how to move Bookmark to folder on Samsung Internet Browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to move Bookmark to folder on Samsung Internet Browser. First, then open the browser and now just click these three lines here in the bottom corner, and after you click on it, click settings, and now scroll down, not settings, click these three lines and then click this one, this star icon here in the bottom, and after you click on it, click select any bookmark you want and click move and select folder. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.